As you can see here at our other warehouse, we have virtually every major manufacturer of switchgear, low and medium voltage air circuit breaker on the market. And at our other warehouse, we have all the parts to support all of our reconditioning and remanufacturing processes. Maintaining an extensive inventory saves customers time and money when you consider the cost of operational downtime. Our customers' choice to keep their existing gear needs to make sense today as well as 5 to 10 years down the road.